Welcome, today I am with SoundCore Flare 2 wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker to your Apple Watch. So at the first you have to find this power button, just click and hold it for a while. Right now you can release. Take a look right here for this control panel and tap on the Bluetooth icon once. When you hear this sound, it means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. So grab your Apple Watch, move for the settings, pick Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and select your SoundCore Flare 2 speaker. Right now we are successfully connected. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.